Remember when films were just about stories? No forced thrills, no choppy edits, and no loud, deafening BGM. Just narratives unfolding at their own pace. Well, if you miss that old school magic, I've got a film for you. Hi, I'm Vanshika, this is BA Proof, and today we're going to talk about a film that deserves way more attention. Film का नाम है The Storyteller, directed by the veteran actor director Anant Mahadevan sir. The film premiered at the 27th Busan International Film Festival in October 2022 and was released on January 28, 2025 on Disney Hotstar, now Geo Hotstar. The Storyteller is based on a short story written by the legendary Satyajit Ray. Short story का नाम है गोल्पो बोलिए तारिणी करो that explores a unique relationship between Tarini Bandyopadhyay, a quirky 60-something Bengali storyteller who has a gift of creating stories out of thin air, and Ratan Garodia, a Gujarati businessman जिनको रात को नींद नहीं आती है and he hires Tarini with the hope कि शायद listening to some bedtime stories will help him sleep, which he hasn't been able to do for decades. Things take an interesting turn when Tarini discovers कि उनकी original कहानियाँ are being published under a pen name, ultimately leading to an unexpected twist in the climax. The narrative of the film is relaxed and steady. No gimmicks, no loud moments. Just pure storytelling where you want to know कि कहानी में आगे क्या होगा with a childlike curiosity कि you cannot wait for the mystery to unfold but at the same time you don't even want the story to end. It is a film that feels like time travel. The old ambassador cars, the hand-pull rickshaws, and the library. I mean, in the world of Kindle and ebooks, the nostalgia of visiting a library to get a library card so that you can get books issued is just so heartwarming. The cinematography is beautiful, whether it's capturing the old Calcutta charm or the beautiful architectural buildings. There are a lot of unsaid details in the film, then be it the stark contrast between the lives of two men, their cities, their homes. For instance, Tarini अगर Calcutta में मछली खरीदने भी जाते हैं, so there is a personal touch in that. His home is a beautiful, warm, cozy, artistic Calcutta home. In contrast to that, Ratan Goradia का जो घर है, it just looks like a capitalist-fed, lonely mansion. बहुत बड़ा घर है पर वो अकेले रहते हैं just with his house help. The use of metaphors and foreshadowing. Ratan Goradia has enough money to buy himself the best mattress in the world. Yet he cannot sleep. Or Tarini's relationship with his old ambassador car that serves as a metaphor of Tarini's attachment with the past and his refusal to let go of his old ways and ultimately the release. या फिर जब पहली बार तारिनी अहमदाबाद पहुंचते हैं रतन गोराडिया के घर में ही notices that the house is filled with books and artwork. लेकिन रतन को उनके बारे में कुछ खास आइडिया नहीं है कि उन किताबों में क्या है या उस आर्ट का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है. But he has the money to buy it. The dialogues are simple yet witty and sharp. The conversations in the film are so profound. For instance, there is this beautiful conversation between Tarini and Ratan where they talk about love, and Tarini, talking about his late wife, says, अगर आज अनु होती तो मुझे अपने आप से बचा लेती. To which Ratan replies, बहुत गहरी बात कर दी आपने. मुझे भी कोई ऐसा चाहिए जो मुझे बचा ले. It just tells you so much about the two characters जो surface पे इतने अलग दिखते हैं. उनके अपने set of beliefs हैं, अपना lifestyle है, बहुत confident दिखते हैं, but deep down both of them are struggling with their own set of fears and self-doubt. The performances are the soul of the film. Paresh Rawal sir as quirky Tarini is brilliant, bringing a certain wit, charm, and a quiet vulnerability to the storyteller who doubts himself. Adil Hussain sir as Ratan is powerful. He carries a quiet mystery, a mix of intrigue and underlying sadness. A man who seems to have it all, yet feels a lack. Tanishta Chatterjee as Susie the librarian is charming and charismatic, but I really wish I could see more of Revati ma'am, who despite her little screen time makes a mark. The storyteller really makes you think about the love for the art of storytelling versus treating it like yet another business. A question that is so relevant today, where everything is about likes, views, or money. A world where so many wonderful artists go unnoticed, while others have no shame in taking credit for something that isn't even theirs. Anant Mahadevan says The Storyteller isn't just a film, it's an experience. A beautiful piece of art, layered, thought provoking, immersive, and the one that stays with you long after it ends. If you love storytelling in its purest form, then this one is a must watch. It's available on Geo Hotstar. Go watch it and then let's discuss it in the comments.